What's up, my dear traders? How are you doing? Very welcome to Uttam's Trading Academy. Today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Are you ready, guys? Let's go for our today day trade, guys. Alright, my dear traders, in my live account I have $2,000 today, and the first investment is going to be $500. And let's choose the currency pair USD JPY, and let's push down, guys, because follow the trend. As always, I'm telling you guys, look at this, guys. It went down, went up, and it's time to push down, guys. So that's why follow the trend, guys. Trend is our friend. Trend is always guiding you as a guardian angel, guys. So that's why always follow the trend. You will never lose your money. You will make profit every day with the trend, guys. So and guys, so far so good. It's look at this, guys. Look at this 500 first investment, guys. So it's pushing down right now, and look at the red candle, guys. The this red candle, on the top of the red candle there is no shadow, guys. It means, guys, it has a really strong opportunity to push down. So my decision is it's like, guys, very strong decision I have made, guys, to push down with the trend. Follow the trend, and look at this, guys, $960 profit, guys, for first investment. And guys, let's follow the trend and let's push down, guys. For that first one, guys, my clean profit, it was how much, guys? $460. Yeah, it's a good one. So, and guys, look at this, guys. It's pushing down. Follow the trend, guys. And guys, about my VIP Telegram channel, if you are not a member of my VIP Telegram channel, all the links below in the description, guys. You can find it easily, the link for my VIP Telegram channel. Join with my VIP Telegram channel. There it's available an ocean of additional educational things, my tactics, my analysis about day trading market, and live updates about day trading and everything, guys. So if you're a beginner, you can improve your knowledge, and you can become, within couple of weeks, you can become a very professional day trader, guys. So far so good. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna show you second profit investment, second profit, and 960 another one, guys. So guys, and let's push up, and let me explain what's going on with this market, guys. Investment $1,000, and it went down, it hit the bottom, and it's time to climb up. And the whole market pattern is bearish pattern, guys. It's like pushing down. Yeah, and according to the RSI indicator, look at the RSI indicator, analyze the market, how market is behaving according to the RSI indicator, guys. Look at this. It's when it's reaching into the over sell zone, guys, it's pushing up, right? Up every time it happened to the market, guys. And the whole pattern for the market, and market behaving like a bearish pattern, guys. So it means, guys, so that's why I saw when it hit the bottom, and there is an opportunity with the buying option, guys. So that's why I decided to invest $1,000 for the buying option, and right now it's climbing up, guys. So far so good. Look at this, guys, $1,930 profit, and let's push up. Follow the trend, guys. If you're following trend, you will never lose your money, guys, for sure, guys, for sure. Look at this. I'm really happy with today market, guys. Today market, it's like really good one, guys, better one, the best one, guys. So pay attention on the RSI indicator, guys. So if you don't know about the RSI indicator, how to setting up the RSI indicator, how to setting up the moving average and everything, so guys, watch my previous videos. I'm highly recommending you to watch my previous videos and improve your knowledge about the day trading, and how to setting up market and everything, guys. So everything I'm explaining there in my previous videos, guys. And don't forget to hit the like button for this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel for additional more videos like this, guys. Okay, look at this, another profit, $965 profit, guys. Clean profit is 465. And let's change the currency pair, guys. Let's change the currency pair. will be better. Yeah, I think, yeah, let's push down, follow the trend, guys. The pattern, like, guys, it went down, went up, and right now it's climbing down. And according to the RSI indicator, it's like a very strange RSI indicator. Look at these, guys. So by the way, so far so good, it's pushing down, because previous two times it has been reaching to the oversell zone, and right now time to reach into the oversell zone, guys. It means it should be pushing down until the bottom, and then it's pushing up. So far so good. Yeah, we have that opportunity with the market. Market is behaving really good for today, guys. So guys, did you hit the subscribe button, the red color subscribe button below? Hit it. And look at this, guys, $579 profit, guys. Okay, for 300. Yeah, it's let's push up, guys. Push up. Okay, follow the trend. Trend is our friend. So it has reached into the, yeah, it has hit the bottom, and now market has been changed, and it's pushing up, it's climbing up. Time to climb up, and let it go, and let's make the profit, guys. So it's easy, no? Really easy, but be careful with the market, guys. When you are analyzing the market, look at this, guys. This green candle without any shadow of the, in the bottom of the candle, guys. It means, guys, there is a very strong buying opportunity. So far so good. I made a right decision right now, so I think, yeah, it's a really good one, guys. So I think it's enough for today, guys. Today it was a really good day, guys. Another $579 profit, guys. So it's enough for today. Yeah. Look at my live account, guys. 4,873, almost $5,000. I started up with $2,000, and I have made around $3,000 profit for today, guys. My dear traders, today I have made around $3,000, 3,000 bucks in 10 minutes, guys. If you want to become a professional day trader and profitable day trader like me, follow my instructions, use my tactics, guys. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utham's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.